In the hustle and bustle of our daily lives, amidst the noise and chaos, there's a silent aspect of our well-being that often goes unnoticed: our mental health. We live in a world that's constantly moving, constantly demanding, but have we ever stopped to check in with ourselves? Today, we embark on a journey to understand the essence of mental health and the transformative power of mindfulness. Life has a way of throwing curveballs at us, moments that shake us to our very core. A month ago, my girlfriend of 2 years broke up with me. I couldn't eat for 4 days. The world around me blurred and time seemed to stand still. I could hear my heart beating in my chest, each thud echoing the pain and emptiness I felt. And then, for the first time in a long time, I cried. The tears didn't stop for days. It felt like a storm that wouldn't pass. Life is a roller coaster ride with its fair share of ups and downs, and just like we care for our physical health during these times, mental health deserves the same attention and care. Because mental health is where happiness, resilience, and self-confidence are born. Imagine your mind as a garden. The flowers are your happy thoughts, and the weeds are the ones that trouble you. Mental health is about keeping this garden well-nurtured and flourishing. It's about having control over your thoughts, emotions, and actions. So why is mental health crucial? It's simple. Mental health is a cornerstone of our overall health. It influences everything, from how we deal with stress, how we make choices, to how we relate to others. Essentially, it's the steering wheel of our life. But like any machine, our minds can also get overwhelmed. The gears can get stuck. Stress from work, relationships, or even past traumas can pile up, affecting our mental health. But remember, it's okay not to be okay. What's not okay is ignoring these feelings. Now, how do we improve our mental health? One word: mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of being fully present and engaged in the here and now. It's about letting go of the past and not worrying about the future. It's about living in the moment. Mindfulness is like a muscle. The more you train it, the stronger it becomes. It's not about eliminating negative thoughts. It's about learning to observe them without judgment. And eventually, you will gain control over them. The beauty of mindfulness is that it can be practiced anywhere, anytime. Whether you're sipping your morning coffee, taking a walk in the park, or even during a mundane task like doing the laundry, all you need to do is focus on the moment. Practicing mindfulness can lead to reduced stress, improved focus, and better emotional flexibility. It can help you enjoy life more and understand yourself better. It teaches you to treat yourself with kindness and patience, to give yourself the same care you give others. To wrap it up, mental health is as important as physical health. It's a vital part of our lives and plays a significant role in shaping who we are. So let's stop ignoring it. Let's start practicing mindfulness and nourish our mind, for it is the garden where our happiness grows. Never forget, your mind is a powerful thing. When you fill it with positive thoughts, your life will start to change. So keep your thoughts positive and your mind clear. After all, a healthy mind is a key to a healthy life. Take a deep breath, let go of your worries, and just be present. Embrace mindfulness and witness the transformation in your mental health. Remember, it's not a race, it's a journey. And every step you take towards improving your mental health is a step towards a happier, healthier life. Remember, mental health matters. You matter. So take care of your mind, and it will take care of you. Because mental health is not a destination, but a journey, and mindfulness is your compass on this journey. So embark on this journey to a healthier mind, and ultimately, a healthier life. Life is a journey filled with highs and lows, moments of joy and challenges that test our spirit, but amidst it all, there's a sanctuary within each of us, a place of peace and clarity. That's the power of mindfulness. Thank you for joining me today on this exploration of mindfulness. It's a path that has brought solace to many, including myself, and I genuinely believe it can do the same for you. If this resonated with you, if you felt a connection, I invite you to be a part of our community here at the Healthy Hustle Hub. Together, we'll delve deeper, learn more, and support one another on this journey. Click on the subscribe button below and ring that bell. Let's embark on this transformative journey together. Remember, every step, every breath, every moment is an opportunity for mindfulness, and I'm here to join you through it. Until next time, take a moment to breathe, to be present, and to cherish the beauty of now. See you soon.